Good morning, welcome back. Hope you had a lovely holiday. Perhaps you may even got away for that last week when we reached the latest stage of the government's roadmap to come out of lockdown. But I hope you're all refreshed and ready for a busy term. You're not going to be surprised that I'm stood beside the flagpole, and last week the flag was flown at half-mast as a mark of respect for the Duke of Edinburgh. And that is something which I want to refer to in this first assembly. If there was one word which you can associate with a man who for over 70 years supported his wife as she conducted herself as Queen of our country, that word is service. And that is something I want you to consider this term at Amesbury. Another famous person called J.F. Kennedy once said, try and think what you can do for America before you think of what America can do for you. He was the president. He was unfortunately assassinated. But that's a really interesting thought, isn't it? What can I do to make Amesbury a better place before I worry about what Amesbury and all the other children and the staff can do for me? How can I contribute to the greater good whilst enjoying and doing all the things that I want to do? How can I contribute to the greater good whilst worrying what other people have to do for me? And I think that all goes back to that word service and to the Duke of Edinburgh. So that's something right in your mind right from the word go. There is a different atmosphere about the school and about the country when it comes to COVID, but we must not rest on our laurels, neither as a country nor as our small little school doing our bit for the country's efforts. We must remember our COVID behaviours. Hands face space. We will ask you to sit in particular places in the classroom. We will also be asking you to sit in particular places in the dining room now, because we're going to enlarge the bubbles. This means that should someone become ill with COVID, we will not have to send the whole bubble home. This might mean that you're not sitting with exactly who you want to at lunch. Well, that's a little bit of that service, a little bit of giving in order for the greater good. We can start playing fixtures again, and we are going to invite your parents to come and watch if they so wish. Can't do match teas and things like that, but at least we're starting to return to what we know school should be. So welcome back. Remember what I said, this is all about service. How can you help everyone else to get the most out of the very exciting Trinity term here? Thank you.